This is a Cachaça pineapple and ginger infused punch. Makes 12 servings. Prep time 6 hours 20 minutes. Let us gather the ingredients. 3 cups of Cachaça. 4 cups of fresh pineapple chunks. 3 ounces of fresh ginger, sliced thin. 1 cup of granulated sugar. 1 cup of water for the simple syrup. 1 cup of fresh lime juice, about 8 limes. 4 cups of club soda to top the punch. 12 sprigs of fresh mint for garnish. Ice is needed to chill and serve. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Place a clean clear glass pitcher on the wooden surface to prepare the infusion. Prepare the pineapple by removing the skin and core, then chop until you have 4 cups of fresh pineapple chunks. Slice 3 ounces of fresh ginger thinly to release the aroma and flavor. Add the 4 cups of pineapple chunks and the sliced ginger into the pitcher, then pour in 3 cups of Cachaça. Cover the pitcher and let the Cachaça infuse with pineapple and ginger for 6 hours at room temperature. After 6 hours, strain the infused Cachaça through a fine mesh sieve into a clean pitcher and discard or reserve the solids for garnish. Combine 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water in a small saucepan, heat over medium until the sugar dissolves, about 3 minutes, then cool the simple syrup to room temperature. Juice enough limes to make 1 cup of fresh lime juice, about 8 limes, and strain out any seeds. Combine 3 cups of the strained infused Cachaça with 1 cup of fresh lime juice and 1 cup of cooled simple syrup in a large pitcher and stir to blend. Chill the blended punch in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to let the flavors marry, or you can serve immediately over ice. Just before serving, add 4 cups of club soda to the pitcher for brightness and effervescence. Add ice as needed and 12 sprigs of fresh mint to the pitcher, then stir gently to combine. Taste the punch and adjust sweetness with additional simple syrup if desired, adding 1 tablespoon at a time. Serve the punch over ice in short glasses and garnish with a mint sprig and a pineapple wedge. This completes the preparation. Now serve and enjoy. Ingredient 24. Added as listed in the recipe.